Crows are fascinating birds with intriguing behaviors and intelligence. Here are a few facts about them. 1. High intelligence. Crows are considered one of the most intelligent bird species. They have the ability to use tools, solve complex puzzles, and even recognize human faces. Some crows have been observed dropping nuts on roads for cars to crack open. 2. Social creatures. Crows are highly social animals and often live in large groups called murders. These groups help in protecting each other and foraging for food. 3. Complex communication. Crows have a complex system of communication that includes a wide range of vocalizations and even non-vocal signals. They can convey warnings, share information about food sources, and more. 4. Mourning rituals. When a crow dies, other crows gather around the deceased in what seems to be a mourning ritual. This behavior is believed to help them learn about potential dangers. 5. Long lifespan. In the wild, crows can live for up to 15 to 20 years, and in captivity, they have been known to live even longer, sometimes up to 40 years. 6. Adaptability. Crows are extremely adaptable birds, thriving in various environments, including urban areas, forests, and agricultural lands. Their diet is omnivorous, meaning they eat a wide range of foods, from seeds and fruits to small animals and carrion.